All right, you guys, time to bake hamantash.
I don't know. I feel like I'm always making the same hamantash, and they're sticky and sweet, and I mean, I like them, but I was kind of getting bored.
You know, it just so happens that I have these amazing Chopped cards from the Chopped Cooking Show, and they have specific challenges for hamantash on them. Here.
Chopped? I've never heard of chopped. I have heard of chopped. What's chopped?
This is the same idea, except we each pick a card. There's some strange ingredients on here, and we're each going to make a hamantash using the ingredients that are on the card that you choose and regular household cooking ingredients.
I don't know. Now I'm nervous. Now I think I might just want to make the strawberry ones. What kind of ingredients?
Well, let's pick a card and see what everyone gets.
What? What'd you get?
Oh my gosh, I can't make this. Onions? Hamantash with onions?
That sounds terrible.
That's better than tomatoes. I have tomatoes.
I have beef. I've never had a beef hamantash. That's crazy.
Well, we can't eat it in the same house because I've got cheese.
You have cheese?
I have sweet potatoes and vinegar. Whoever heard of vinegar in a hamantash?
Rabbi Pepper, this is the worst hamantash idea I've ever heard of.
Oh, we're gonna do this.
What's this other stuff on the table for?
Anything else you want to use in there? I've got rice, vinegar, and sweet potatoes.
Tomatoes, flour, and cheese.
Is this our pantry over here?
This is it.
I can use this stuff too?
You can use this stuff too.
I don't think I can do this, but I'll do my best.
I'm gonna try.
Good luck.
Masters in their field. World-class chefs with extreme confidence and incomparable skill.
I can't believe Rabbi Pepper wants me to make hamantashen with meat and onions. This is not going to be good. But I'm not going to let Mara Viva win, that's for sure. So I have meat, and I chopped up these onions. Okay, I think I'm just going to take them straight over to this big pan and see what happens. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm sauteing it up, and it's pretty hot right now, and I don't know how it's going to look in a hamantash, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to tell you the truth. I tasted the meat, and it tastes really good. I mean, I don't know if it's supposed to be in a hamantash, but it tastes really good. So I made these round circles with dough, and now I'm putting meat inside, and it's kind of like a hamburger hamantash in Rabbi Pepper. What could be bad about that? So see them on this tray? Well, friends, I'm not sure. What do you think of this? The hamburger hamantash. Do you think that we could put that in? And some french fries?
Hi everyone. So I'm in my kitchen. I'm ready for the challenge. I've got my flour in my dough. Tomatoes are now tomato sauce. We've got our cheese. And we're gonna make pizza tash, and everyone loves pizza, so I'm gonna win. Okay, and it goes. All right, so they're ready. Let's take them out and see how they came out. Ooh. Mrs. Bucchieri, is this how they make hamantash in Italy?
I bet they're sitting at home complaining.
Oy, I have to use ground beef. Oy, what should I do with the tomato?
Really? Sweet potato. Sweet potato. I mean, what do you do with a sweet potato besides make yams? And oh my goodness, vinegar. Who ever heard of vinegar in anything but cleaning floors? When I was a kid, my mother used to use vinegar to clean the floors, and I've got to figure out how to put vinegar into a hamantash? I mean, it's supposed to be a happy holiday, not a bitter holiday. Vinegar and sweet potatoes and rice? Hey, I think I have an idea. I got this peg with sushi attache. It's a Japanese sushi Shushan dish from like when Achashverosh ruled the whole world. He totally needed sushi tash for his party. And here, my friends, is a rice, sweet potato with vinegar and ingredients, sushi tashin.